Welcome. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the simple steps on how to share a chat wallpaper on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've been wanting to customize your chat and share your favorite backgrounds with friends or groups, this guide will make it super easy. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features right away. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where you can find a range of options. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several categories to adjust your preferences. Go ahead and select Chat Settings. This is the section where you can personalize the look and feel of your Telegram conversations. Next, you'll want to choose from Gallery. This option allows you to browse through your saved photos and pick the perfect image to use as your chat wallpaper. Once you've found the wallpaper you want, click on it to set it up. Now comes the exciting part, the new sharing option. After selecting your wallpaper, simply click Share. Telegram will generate a shareable link for the wallpaper you've chosen. This makes it super convenient to send your chosen background to anyone, without them needing to manually search for it or download a separate file. Finally, decide where you want to share the link. You can drop it directly into a private chat with a friend, share it in a group, or even copy the link and send it through another platform if you'd like. The choice is completely yours, and that's it. With just a few quick steps, you can not only customize your chat background, but also share your favorite wallpapers easily with others. This update is a great way to give conversations a personal touch and make them feel more unique. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to apply these steps and make your Telegram chats stand out.